I'm Andre Brown, and today I'm going to tell you what compound interest is. Compound interest is the interest you earn on an investing account or savings account. And who doesn't like free money? It's free money. So think of compound interest like the grains in this formula that I have for my kid. One scoop gives you 2 ounces. Compound interest kind of works the same. You put what you have, this is what you have in your account, and over time what you get back is much more. So that's basically what compound interest kind of is. I don't know if I explained it correctly. I should have explained it correctly, but that's the gist of compound interest. So how does it really work? Think about this. Think that you have $100 in an investment account, and the S&P 500, the rate of return normally is around 7%. According to a lot of news articles, you'll get between 5% or maybe 10%, but 7% is like the average that you get. When you put that $100 in every month, you get a match of 7%. Every year over year, you'll get 7%. It grows with that additional $100 a month. Year over year. Now, if you're consistently depositing $100 over 20 years, that comes out to, let me get my math right, $49,607. I had to look. But half of that is your own money. So half of that is your own contribution. This is the power of compound effect. The other half, the $25,507, if I'm correct, is just pure interest alone. That's half your investment that you've grown over 20 years of free money. Who doesn't like free money? I know I love free money. We all love free money. And if you want free money, go in the description below. 4 free stocks from Webull. Robinhood is giving stocks. Oh, I've drawn a blank. M1 Finance. How could I forget that? They're giving $31. That's $50 or $51 in just value from stocks. So it's all below in the description, but shameless plug. Everyone's doing it. I might as well. I invest. I use these accounts. I love them. They help me grow with compound interest. And that's just 20 years. Double that time to 40 years. I'm 26 and I expect to retire around 65, maybe 66. But I love to work. So it may be 70, 80, 90. I may never retire because I love what I do. But let's say 40 years down the line, when most people my age are planning to retire, they deposit $100. That comes down to roughly a little under $250,000 from a $100 investment every month over 40 years. Most people can spare that if they budget enough. Now, $200 every month, you're looking at just under $500,000. And even double that, $400 a month, you're looking at an easy $980,000. And the more that you build this, the more that it does compound. So you can be as aggressive as you want and put in $1,000 a month, and that gives you a couple $1,000,000 easily, maybe more. I can't do the math in my head. I'm not a math genius. I had to look this up. We can look it up, but not right now. I'll include a compound interest calculator in the description below. When you got free time, you can do that. And that's not even the best of it. There's people that have taken compound interest to the extreme. Meet Benjamin Franklin. There have been other families that have basically taken compound interest to an extreme, but Benjamin Franklin is the most notable. And they are families like the Rothschild that kind of passed it down centuries and centuries and created this giant general wealth. But who doesn't know Benjamin Franklin? He's the most notable. He's on our $100 bill. Benji's, you know? So a year before he died in 1790, he left equivalent of $5,000 to two cities. Those two cities were Philadelphia and Boston. Now, he had rules to this money. So the rule was they'll get half or a portion of it the first 100 years. And then another 100 years, that's 200 years later, they would get the entire amount. That amount came out to be $6.5 million. That is the effect of compound interest. Compound interest can do a lot, and it's the time that it takes, but it's the most well-known and guaranteed ways to build your wealth. No matter what you do in this world, if you understand how compound interest works and the power that it does hold, you can create your wealth too. It's just the time, and the time to really start doing these things is now. Don't wait. I'll wait. You can create a brokerage account, do $100, Webull, M1, Robinhood. Go ahead, I'll wait. You done? Great. Now, really start building your wealth. Focus on compound interest as your core principle, and it would start you off on an amazing journey to where you can have that freedom of being able to retire, being able to pass on your wealth to your children and your children's children. But the most important thing is that you need to do it now, not later. Because the longer you wait, the less compound interest power really is. I'll see you in the next video.